what's going on today, Emily?
We're on our way to Mom and Dad's house, coming from White Rock.
What did we do in White Rock?
Well, we made a purchase.
Yeah. Did we spend a lot of money?
Yeah, but I think it's worth it. We bought this van that we're driving in.
Sweet!
So...
Is that a good deal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited.
Kendall wants some. What do you think, Kendall? She's speechless. Alright. Blakeson is... Hi. Oh, there he is. Hey, how you doing? So it's Victoria Day 2016. What happens on Victoria Day, Blake said? Does Daddy get to stay home? Yes. Yeah. Well, we stayed home. We went out. Yeah, we went out. Okay, enough. Okay. What else happened, Blakeson? You had a good day. Oh, you spilt the water at Ricky's. Remember that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Down my pants. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, let's. Yeah. Okay, so here's our car before the kids grow up. So it's probably going to be the best condition ever. Pristine condition. Mint. It's got 170 something thousand kilometers. I think it's 176. What else? So I wonder what it is now. If we even have it now. Hey, is the Honda still around, Joel? Right on. Okay. Oh. What's that face? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, I smell a fart. Did you fart, Kendall? I smell a fart. Speechless. Okay, what else can we do? We're going down to number 1.
That's good, we do.
That's good. Okay. Okay. Talk to you later.